Build an anime physique at home. The science nobody explains. Look at your favorite anime character. It's not the abs that stand out. It's not even the muscles. It's the shape. Wide shoulders, a broad back, a strong chest, a narrow waist. That's what makes them look powerful. And if you're sitting there thinking, yeah, but I don't have a gym, you're already focusing on the wrong problem. Because the biggest reason most guys never build a great physique isn't lack of equipment, it's lack of understanding. They train hard, but they don't know what they're building. So let me save you months of wasted effort. If your goal is an anime physique, you need to focus on 3 things: shoulders, back, and chest. Why? Because those muscles create width, and width creates the illusion of a bigger, stronger frame, even before you gain a lot of muscle. Think about it. When someone walks into a room, nobody measures their biceps. People notice their silhouette. That's why a guy with broad shoulders instantly looks more confident and athletic. So how do you build that at home? Let's start with shoulders and chest. If you're a beginner, regular push-ups are enough. Not because they're easy, because your body doesn't care what's hard. It responds to tension. And for a beginner, push-ups provide plenty of it. When 10 push-ups feels difficult, that's your current level. When 20 becomes easy, your body has adapted. That's when you progress. Move to decline push-ups. Now more weight shifts onto your upper chest and shoulders. More challenge, more growth, more width. Next is your back. This is where most people fail. They train the muscles they can see in the mirror and ignore the muscles that actually create the V-taper. Your back is what makes your waist look smaller. That's why pull-ups are so powerful. Can't do one? Good. Start with negatives. Jump to the top. Lower yourself slowly. Your muscles don't know the difference between your ego and gravity. They only know resistance. Eventually, 1 pull-up becomes 2. 2 becomes 5. 5 becomes 10. And suddenly your frame starts changing. Now let's talk about legs. I know. Everybody wants the upper body. But strong legs aren't optional. They're the foundation. A powerful physique looks balanced, not top-heavy. Start with bodyweight squats, then Bulgarian split squats, then jump squats, then weighted variations using a backpack. The goal isn't to make workouts harder. The goal is to make your muscles work harder. That's called progressive overload. And it's the reason some people transform while others stay stuck. Every time an exercise becomes easy, you increase the challenge. More reps, more control, more resistance. That's how the body grows. Not through motivation, through adaptation. And this is where everything changes. Because after the first week, you won't look different. Most people quit here. After 2 weeks, you'll feel stronger. Most people still quit here. After a month, your posture starts improving. Your shirts fit differently. You move differently. And that's when something interesting happens. You stop chasing an anime physique. You start becoming the kind of person who trains consistently. And that identity is far more powerful than any workout. Because physiques aren't built in a day. They're built by showing up when nothing seems to be happening. Then one day you catch your reflection. And for the first time in a long time, you don't see the guy who's waiting to start. You see the guy who's already changing. That's the real transformation.